Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be starting a whole new 1 year of episodes. So I picked a new subscription service to start reviewing. I just finished up my Luxe box, which was a Canadian beauty box. And after that experience, I decided to go back to American beauty boxes. So the one that I picked out this year is Boxy Charm, which has a big label over it. But this Boxy Charm, I signed up for 1 year. It was $231 American dollars plus $60 shipping. So ouch. So a total of $291 American dollars. This is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is the first one I've ever received. One thing I noticed right away is that compared to a Luxe box and FabFitFun, the box is quite tiny. But let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at what is inside. So inside the box you get a little info box with some coupons and all the product information, and it seems to be really well packaged here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in this Boxy Charm box. And let's start with the item that kind of convinced me to start doing Boxy Charms. Now I signed up right at the end of April once a lot of people had already received their Boxy Charms, and I was like, well, I might as well sign up for May. But as soon as I paid for it, they pretty much shipped one out directly, which I think is pretty unusual for beauty boxes, but that's kind of cool because I was able to get a Colourpop item. Colourpop is a little bit harder to get here in Canada. This is my first Colourpop eyeshadow product will have tried. I haven't tried it yet. This is the You Had Me at Hello shadow palette. It's quite weighty, beautiful packaging. This stuff is made in the USA, distributed out of the USA. Really nice, strong packaging. Not at all what I expected from Colourpop. And here is a look at the colors inside of the palette. It's kind of a nice, basic, matte and shiny palette. So I'm really excited for that. Here's a look at all of the color names. But right off the bat, compared to Luxe box, this is so much better. This is so much more in tune with what I am excited to receive in my beauty boxes. So cool, and probably a little bit more novel than, say, an American getting the beauty box, because like I said, it's just harder to get here in Canada. The next product is a mask. This is a Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. Don't mind my hands. I was doing some dyeing and I've stained my hands a little bit. Sorry about that. But you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Use it 2 to 3 times per week. So I'll definitely have to give this one a go. I love a mask. Next we have this from the Brow Gal. And I actually tried my first Brow Gal product from another beauty box, the FabFitFun, and it was a clear gel, which I thought was really great, if maybe a little overpriced. But this is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, the Insta Tint Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. It is designed in California, made in China, which is weird because for some reason I thought she was based out of the UK. Oh, and it's just a tiny little brush for doing your brows. I've already done my brows, so I won't be doing them today. But as usual in these 1 year of series, I will do a re-review of all the products that I got in this month's box in my next month's video. So stay tuned for my thoughts on all of these products once I've had a little bit of time to play around with them and really kind of enjoy them. Next we have the Tarteist Pro Glow. This is the liquid highlighter in Sparkler. That's kind of cool. I'm not actually wearing a highlighter today, so let's pop some on. That seems pretty nice, honestly. No complaints there. It's kind of hard to go wrong with a liquid highlighter. And the last product in this first box is a high definition liquid lip from Odessa, New York. I've never heard of that brand before, which shockingly is the only product that I haven't heard of the brand before in this beauty box, which I like. Especially, oh, it's just kind of a nudie color. It's a liquid lip. Smells kind of familiar. Just kind of a nudie color. Kind of a nice nude on my skin tone. Not too pale. Kind of peachy, but not too peachy. Just throw some of this back on it. Well, I have a bunch of things to try out this month. I know this was a little bit of a shorter video, but that is the case whenever we open up a new box. One other thing I thought I would share, and I don't want to like be shady or anything, but when you check out the customs declaration, check out some of the prices on these items. Like, is this what the products cost? Is this box only worth $14.70 to BoxyCharm? I don't know, interesting. I don't want to like screw them over and make it more expensive for Canadians, but I thought I would just quickly point that out because it's kind of interesting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me. I do hope you have a great start to your week. If you enjoyed today's video and you are excited to start this new series with me, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more beauty content from me. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible. If you want to help support my channel, definitely check it out or just share this video with anybody else who might find it helpful. Alright guys, with that, I will see you in my next beauty video. Bye for now!